Image formation by concave mirror 1. Objective: to study the image formation by concave mirrors. Suppose a point object is placed at a distance u0 from the pole of a concave mirror of focal length f0. We can make use of the mirror's formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f to get the position of the image. We follow Cartesian sign convention. Object is placed on the left side to the mirror, hence u should be substituted with minus u0 and f should be substituted with minus f0 in the formula. V is equal to u0 f0 divided by f0 minus u0. If u0 is greater than f0, V is negative. A real image is formed on the same side of the object. If u0 is lesser than f0, V is positive. A virtual image is formed on the opposite side of the object. Now, let us take the help of ray diagrams. In the current topic, we will look at image formation for objects placed beyond the center of the mirror. Let us start with the object's position that is very far from the mirror. Consider a ray passing along the principal axis. After getting reflected, the ray comes back along the same path. Consider another paraxial ray that is incident on the mirror. As the object is very far from the mirror, the incident ray is almost parallel to the principal axis. This ray gets reflected and passes through the focal point. As the two rays meet at the focal point, the real image is formed at the focal point. We can get the same result by substituting u0 equals to infinity in the expression of V. V equals to minus f0 suggests that the real image gets formed at the focal point if the object is placed at infinity. Now, let us keep the object at a finite distance between minus infinity and the center of curvature of the mirror. One ray passes and gets reflected along the principal axis. Consider another ray which is incident on the mirror at point A. It gets reflected and meets the first ray at a point that lies between C and F. Hence, a real image is formed between C and F if the object is kept at a finite distance between minus infinity and C. For example, let the object be placed at a distance that is 3 times the focal length. Substitute u0 equals to 3f0 in the expression for V. V comes out to be minus 1.5 f0. Clearly, the image is formed between the center and the focal point. Summary. If an object is kept very far from a concave mirror, the image is formed at the focal point. If the object is kept at a finite distance beyond the center of curvature, image is formed between the center and the focal point.